closer.
Entertainment for 5 points, as if that wasn't entertaining. Entertainers Humphrey Bogart, James Cagney, Charles Boyer, and Alfred Hitchcock were all born in what year? Give or take a couple of years. Northside.
1900.
1899, but that's acceptable. 5 points, yes. Geography worth 5 points. The 180th meridian, the dividing line between...
The international date line.
That's incorrect. Not the
Okay.
answer we're looking for,
Okay.
actually. The 180th meridian, the dividing line between the eastern and western hemispheres, falls within the borders of what state, making it the western and easternmost state in the U.S.?
Hawaii.
Alaska. Alaska. The date line makes a jog, but the meridian goes straight down. Health and medicine worth 5 points. The medical term nosocomial refers to infections
Hospital acquired.
acquired in the hospital, worth 5 points. History worth 10 points. Events occurring diurnally happen. E-Ville.
During the day, during sunlight.
Judges. Yes, no, no. It's not what we're asking for.
Every day.
Daily. Happen how often? That's what we were looking for. Worth 10 points. Category is literacy, worth 5 points. Usually used to indicate a small group controlling a country after seizing power. Northside.
Junta.
That's not what we're looking for. Usually used to indicate a small group controlling a country after seizing power. The word junta comes from what language?
Spanish.
That's correct for 5 points. Notice how I try to stop myself from saying incorrect when I know it's correct, just not what we're looking for. Category is literature, worth 5 points. By what name is the poet born Marguerite Johnson better known? By what name is the poet Marguerite Johnson better known?
Materials and take them to the checkout desk on the first or second floor. Patrons using library
E-Ville.
computers.
Maya Angelou.
Maya Angelou is correct for 5 points. You could carry one of her books to the checkouts. Potpourri, worth 5 points. What is the most common day of the week for bank robberies? Northside.
Friday.
Friday is correct for 5 points. Potpourri, worth 10 points. From what occupation is the following surname derived? Cooper. Northside.
Barrel maker.
Barrel maker is correct for 10 points. Science for 10 points. What does a conometer measure in the air? What does a conometer measure? Northside.
Pollution.
That's incorrect. What does a conometer measure in the air?
Wind speed.
Dust. Dust. And that big buzzer signified the end of the final round. We have Northside Story as the runner-up with 55, and E-Ville Edge-U-Cators hold on again. With a score of 80 points. Thank you for joining us. I know that someone's going to be coming in right behind me to make some presentations, so I will turn you over to Sue Murphy. Thank you for having me in your home for 2 nights, bearded and unbearded. Don't forget Belle Trace. There you go. E-Ville. E-Ville Edge-U-Cators.
Congratulations. Thank you. And congratulations to our runners-up.
Good.
Thank you to these 2 teams and to all 32 teams, and for everyone who supported them, the sponsors. And special thanks to our moderator. Kurt spent 2 nights with us. To Keith Klein and Yael Cassander. There's a really, really long list of people to thank for making this event a success. I'm going to start with the silent auction, because this has been going on for a long time, getting this together. There were, we still don't know that our volunteers are out there entering our bids, but volunteers went knocking on doors, asking for things. Our staff, everyone contributed in that way. The businesses and individuals in this very generous community brought in some great things. We've had volunteers in the atrium helping, so many thanks to everyone who made the silent auction a success. Our appreciation goes to all the volunteers that helped with the quiz bowl in the auditorium, and also for the volunteers who have manned our desks while we're down here having fun. I've enjoyed